Welcome to the project demonstration of mobile phone charging based on the coin insertion. So here we are using multiple coin sensing module, so which can detect the three multiple coins. Actually it can detect up to five coins, but now we are coded this, means trained this for 3 coins. So 3 types of coins: 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coins. Initially we need to train this module for respective coins. Based on that, it will provide us the pulse inputs to the microcontroller, and when we insert the respective coin, if we insert the 1 rupee coin, then it will provide us the 1 pulse, 2 rupee coin 2 pulse, 5 rupee coin 5 pulse. This has to be trained by insert this module. So after inserting the coin, it will detect the coin, respective coin, like the 0 or 1 or 5. 1 2 5, and then it will switch on this charging section for the mobile phone charging through this electromagnetic relay for 60 seconds for 1 rupee, 120 seconds for 2 rupee and 300 seconds for 5 rupees. So like this the timer will enable for the charging section, and whenever the timer reaches below the 20 seconds, then it will provide us the audible alert through this buzzer in order to intimate the user the time is going to be ended. So here the power flow is 230 volts AC input to this transformer, so which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and output of this transformer is input to this regulated power supply board, and parallelly same 230 volts AC input to the regular power supply board. So this is the regular power supply board mainly, which will take 230 volts AC inputs and provide us the 5 volts DC output directly, which is the operating voltage for the mobile phone charging slots. And the transformer is used to provide the 12 volts DC inputs to our coin insertion module, and next 5 volts DC output through this 7805 voltage regulator for the microcontroller. So from here we are taking the 5 volts, and this is the 5 volts directly for the mobile phone charging. In order to provide the separate power supplies, we are using the 2 different regular power supplies. So we have interfaced the LCD display to show the timing, timer and the status. On this one, we interface it to the PIC16F72 microcontroller at pin number B2 to B7, and A4 coin detector, and C3 for the buzzer, and C7 for this electromagnetic relay. So let me explain the components: step down transformer, mobile phone charging regular power supply unit, and microcontroller regular power supply unit, electromagnetic relay, buzzer, and USB slot to connect the multiple USB cable, and LCD display, 16F72 microcontroller motherboard, and coin detector module. So let us see the demonstration. After you on the power supply, there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. Initially charger will be off. So when I insert the 1 rupee coin, so if it rejects, just insert that. So coin inserted 1, and 60 seconds timer started. Now wait for the 30 seconds, means 40 seconds. Let it provide the audible alert through the buzzer. So we can connect like a B type or C type or iPhone charging to this charging cable. So for every 1 second, so you can see the LED blinks, which will show the status of the timer is running inside that, and this relay board also will show the status through this LED, which will show the charging status on this USB slot. Also we can see the LED indication. So everywhere on every board you can see the indication which will show the working of that particular board. Right, now it's 20 seconds. Now the buzzer will get switched on. So coin inserted 2, and 120 seconds was added. And the next, if I insert the 5 rupee coin, so 1, let us wait, it will add again 4, right, like that. It will count that pulses from the coin sensor module, and will make it as a 5 counts, as a 5 rupee coin inserted, and seconds will be added to the previous timer. So once the time completes, then automatically this relay will get switched off, and wait for that, we'll show you. Right. So at the end of the timer, so if you don't want to add the seconds, or you don't want to recharge anymore, then leave that. Once the time completes, then automatically the relay will get switched off. Right, charger will be off.